Hello, glad you could join me. In this video, we're going to determine which of the following number lines best represents the graph of x is greater than -1. Before we try to select the correct answer, we're going to go over a couple things that will help you. When you see greater than or less than, those will represent a hollow circle. When you see greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to, those will be represented by a solid circle. The reason why is the solid circle includes that number, which is representative of is equal to, okay? So when we look right here, we can see right away that we're going to be dealing with hollow circles. So right away, that means we can mark out C and D because they had solid circles. Okay? Then I want you to notice that we're dealing with -1 and greater than. Well, if you notice, this arrow's going that way, this arrow's going that way, and we have -1 and greater than. So we're going to pick B as our correct answer. Thanks for joining me. Like and subscribe.